So guys, before we start, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Remember the glorious days of scoring free Nitro with YouTube Premium? Or maybe the epic Alienware Arena giveaway that had everyone scrambling. These collaborations were legendary, allowing users to experience the Nitro life for free or at a discount. Now, let's get analytical. These past promos often coincided with major events or milestones for the collaborating companies. Maybe a new game launch, a special anniversary, or just a way to boost subscriber numbers. Alright, buckle up. Based on our analysis, and a healthy dose of wishful thinking, let's predict when the next Discord Nitro promo might appear. This could be very soon. Maybe it'll be with the release of a hotly anticipated game, or perhaps tied to a Discord anniversary celebration. Who knows, maybe your favorite platform will surprise us with a brand new collab out of the blue. Anyway, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what kind of Nitro promo you'd love to see next.